Hey y'all, welcome back to Thrift Store Thursday. I'm just looking at all the stuff that I found. So, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and leave me a lovely comment down below. And my name is Kel, and this is my channel called If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. So today is Thrift Store Thursday, and let me show you what I picked up. I call this like a type of candlestick days. Now, we have all seen these type of candlesticks at the Dollar Tree, and they are going for, you know, $1 at the Dollar Tree. Well, I found these at the thrift store for 49 cents. And I'm hoping that you'll be able to pick that up because the tags are green this week. And it may blend out because of my green screen. But I got 4 of them. And you know, you can always use candlesticks to raise up your vases, you know, DIY. So I said, well, this would have been $4 at the Dollar Tree, and these are kind of hard for me to find in my town. So I got these 4. Okay, and then I found this pretty little elegant candlestick holder for 49 cents. Thought this was pretty. This is a different shape. Very nice. And look at this pretty one. And this one was 69 cents. Now, I wish I could have got 2 of these. But, you know, you mix and you match. They don't all have to be the same. So, you will see these in upcoming tablescape. I was happy to find these because I don't have a lot of candlesticks. And it's just something about having your table set and having you know, your candles lit. It's just, you know, it's just like a romantic evening. Next, for thrift store, I came across this box and I seen a guy looking at it and he set it back down, so I went behind him and picked it up. And it is a crafter's dream to have this type of box, because it has the different little boxes inside where you can put, you know, your gemstones and everything. But to my surprise, it came with some type of kit, and it looks like, you know, for a little kid to make these rubber band bracelets. So, and it came with all different color rubber bands. I mean, all different types of rubber bands. See if I can tilt it over so you can see it. And I don't know how it works, but it came with a complete set of little tools in here. The little hooks, I guess, that you hook up the rubber bands to. But I didn't buy it for the kit. I'm going to take all these out and put these rubber bands in individual Ziploc baggies and just throw it in one of my Dollar Tree bags. But I got it for the box because if you have like a lot of you know, glitter and not glitter, but like the rhinestone beads and, you know, so forth. So I got it actually for this for the box. And it was $2.99. I don't think you're going to get this type of box anywhere for $3. They're probably about $10 in Hobby Lobby. So that's the only reason why I was happy to find it. Not only for the little kit inside, because I'll get on a video and watch somewhere to when Ariana comes, she'll be able to make her own little bracelets. But for $3 for this type of box, I'm going through all my beads and everything will be in one place. So this is a good organization find for me. Next, I came across, oh my goodness, When I seen it, I was like, what is inside this box? So let me show you. It was 99 cents. And this is how it came, already in this nice little clear packaging. And what it is, it's like glittery plums, some type of fruit. And it came with like these little flowers, and to me it's like a little bird nest on the bottom of that. See that? And then these are flowers, and then it had like 2 leaves. Now these may be figs as well. I'm just not sure of what type of fruit this is, but these are going to be fabulous for the winter to set up or fall table. And for 99 cents, I was like, oh yes, I'm going to get that. Very nice. Running out of room, peoples. Alright, let me just sit that back over there. Oh, next, let me get some strength to lift it. Y'all see this beautiful plate bowl? And then if you was to turn it upside down, you know, if you just wanted to use this as a centerpiece, turn it upside down and you could actually put your dipping stuff in that. Isn't that fabulous? But I won't do it like that. It's gonna be just like this. And I paid 99 cents. Beautiful. It's got to get cleaned out, but I thought this was gonna be a fabulous piece. This big heavy bowl for 99 cents, unheard of. Unheard of. And I've been looking for a nice clear through bowl for my centerpieces on my table. Now I saved the best for last. Bam. I came across these saucers, and they are called the Crown Victoria Fine China, the Love Lace pattern. And hopefully you'll be able to see the pattern. I'm going to do it on an angle so you can pick it up, and it has the silver band inside and around. But that is the pattern. You see the lace on that? Isn't that beautiful? OMG. Not only did I come across the saucers, bam, I got the cups, and that's the pattern. You gotta get cleaned, of course. And that's the marking. You can see that. That is the marking, and that's how I was able, to do my research. Now, finding the era for these are 1950 to 1960. A very popular piece of china from Japan. Well, this was from China. Yeah, this is from China. Very popular back in the day. And if you had the whole set, you could get about $300 right now for it. But I only got the saucer and the cup. And for 6 pieces of these, just on eBay, if they was to go, to sell, someone's selling these for $20 for 6. I thought that was crazy. I would not get rid of these I would not get rid of 6 of these for 20 bucks. So I went on another main website, and just for the cup and the saucer, cha-ching, $9.99 for a set. So it was $6 that I actually just rounded off. So I actually paid 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. $6 for this complete set, and I could sell it for $60. Isn't that pretty? So another good day at the thrift store. Now I totally spent for all this that I showed you. This is one of my higher spends this time around. So everything came to about, I think it was $17 and some change. So that was my budget for the week. But this made up for that $17 because, like I said, these are going for $10 a setting. And I thought these were so elegant. I wish I would have had these when they did the high tea. But I'm building up my tea collection. So I will probably have these in a upcoming tablescape, and you'll see how I place these, on my table. Now next, you're not going to believe, y'all thought that Crown Victorian lace pattern was something. I feel like this is stainless steel, but look how pretty this is. And it has a nice little pattern on it. And this was 99 cents. And this is the lid. It's hard getting it off. I don't want to push it all down. And then it has this metal screw. And you pour your coffee or your hot water. So I thought this was a fabulous find for 99 cents. Look. Very pretty. But lastly, I found BAM. Take a good look at it. That's the lid. Jackpot. This is, and it has the original tag. Okay. So this is called an electric cafe in the luxurious silver plate. This is silver, y'all, but it is tarnished, of course, and I do have my silver cream, so I'm going to be doing a DIY and polishing up this and a couple other silver pieces that I have found through my little travels, but I just never did a video of them because it's hard to keep silver clean. This is like a constant thing, but I got this for 99 cents and it's the original tag on it. So I did my research. The only thing that it didn't have was the stand, and as you can see in the original paper, there's a stand at the bottom. Okay. And it has the guarantee paper on it. I guess that's what they did back in the day. And this is from F.B. Rogers Electric Cafe. Is guaranteed against defects and workmanship. It just tells you, what the guarantee they had back in the day. The Electric Cafe is designed to keep coffee or other beverages hot. It is not to brew or percolate coffee. With my research, I came across, I wish I could have got the plug with it. And it's saying it's going for about $20 online, I guess, if you had the plug. But I just thought this was beautiful, and you'll see a picture showing what it will look like once this is all cleaned up and you see the silver on it and the beautiful lid. So this will be nice, to have tea party or whatever. You could put hot water in this and they could pour it, or you could brew coffee and just pour the coffee in it and have it sitting on your table. So I got two lovely pieces, one real silver, one stainless steel. But for $2 or 99 cents a piece, I wasn't leaving it. So you'll see them in the upcoming tablescape. So I am so happy that you guys stopped over to visit me today on Thrift Store Thursday. And my name is Kel. With that being said, and as I always say, child, if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. Y'all stay blessed until the next Thrift Store Thursday. Bye-bye.